Hi everyone, it's so exciting because we are this close to the 6th annual Anna Griffin Create at Home. I'm coming to you today because you just received your shipment of the Create materials and the tools, some of the tools that you're going to need to participate in the event. And I wanted to walk you through what you just got and give you some words of wisdom from my desk to yours. We're starting off, you've got two huge boxes. And what's incredible about these boxes is that when you open them, one, it's a keepsake box. I made it super duper sturdy so that you can store scrapbook pages, you can store your finished projects in here, whatever it is that you want to use these for in the future. You've got two beautiful commemorative boxes to keep everything in. So when you open the first box, you're going to find this little love letter from me to you. And when you open this, what's important is that you take everything out, and it's a notice about that. Here we are, we're finally here. It's my little notes to you about how we're going to work and what the things that you'll need and the tools that you'll need in addition to this box. There's an itinerary here, and I would suggest keeping this handy and make sure that you're following along with this schedule. And then there's a commemorative pin so that you can have a sweet memory to wear and have during the event and after. One of the things that we've done is that we put together the entire event, all right? We're starting on November the 12th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that means there is registration and everything that's going to happen in advance of November 12th. One, you're going to get an email with a password specific to you for the event and a link to get to our event, all right? And at 1 o'clock, we will show up there. You'll put in your password and you'll have the live broadcast of the event. And I'm going to just start with one of the things that we're going to do at 1 o'clock on that first day, and that is you'll take out your pouch called Make and Takes. And what this is, I would just caution you, don't take all the things out of these pouches. I mean, look through them, enjoy looking through what we put together for you, because there is more than $400 worth of product in here, brand new, amazing things, and the materials to make what I think is the very, very best of what we can do with these brand new tools. All right, so 1 o'clock on November 12th, you'll pull out your Make and Take pouch. And I'm just gonna go through box number 1 just so that you feel comfortable understanding what's inside. And you'll notice that they are nested. So this one's going one way and this one's going the other, because that's how you'll get it back in the box. They are labeled by class, and we have our pop-out dies class, then we have our ballroom slider card class, then we have our Kingston home it's a home decor class, then we have our 3D decorative layers class, and then we have our vignette class. And you'll see that they are numbered, and this box is 1 through 5. Everything is in order as you need it. And again, I will just reiterate the fact that I don't think you should open these or take them apart prior to each class. I will be doing a video for each segment that will precede the class, so that you'll know what tools and what materials to get out prior to each class. Now, in box number 2, it's exactly the same, and I'm going to turn it around. So we have a full album class that we're going to do. We're going to make shutter cards in class number 7, and in the final class number 8 is our Rockin' Christmas cards, and it is going to be so exciting. But in the bottom of box number 2, you have 2 pouches. And I'm just gonna talk to you about these. This is called swag. All right, and if for those of you that don't know that term, swag is a lot of fun. It's like extra. It's your gift for showing up. Inside swag, now this is really important. Inside swag are ivory cards and envelopes, floral stickers, ribbons, there's adhesive, there's foam adhesive, there's double-sided adhesive, and there's every color of matte foil cardstock that we make. And these are for emergency use, meaning that if you were stranded on a desert craft island and you needed to craft for Create, everything but your cutting tools are included in this. So it's a backup. You will need all kinds of things to participate in the event, and that is listed on this pretty little envelope that just came in your box. And just familiarize yourself with the itinerary and all the things that you'll need in your personal workspace, and I will see you at Create.